What's your home really worth? Are you thinking of erecting a lasting legacy in your building projects when you think of constructing a family house, office, estate, restaurant, etc.? Gourmet Construction Services is the solution to your questions. Whether your building needs are large or small, from simple repairs to commercial build-outs, we render all services as it concerns construction in actualizing your dream aboard. Our services also include exceptional designs for your buildings, additions, architectural work, carpentry, commercial construction, concrete, construction management, electrical, energy management, excavation, finish work, fire restoration, framing, wood and metal, green building, historical preservation, institutional, schools, interior design, painting, plumbing, remodeling, renewable energy project, roofing, solar, siding, steel buildings, steel studs, drywall, structural repair, reinforcement. Gourmet Construction Services also offer continuous, uninterrupted coverage for maintenance and management responsibilities for building facilities. We provide all necessary labor, materials, equipment and support to ensure the successful implementation of all requirements listed in our agreements. Our services are affordable and we can deliver at a suitable time frame, although terms and conditions apply. You can locate us at our head office, number 22 Anu Crescent Estate, Arja, Lekki, Lagos State. Branch office, Plot 4, Road 10 Adoka Housing Estate, Awka, Anambra State. For more information, you can call us on 08153687356 or WhatsApp us on 08162988311. You can also send us an email at elevatedservices3@gmail.com. At Gourmet Construction Services, we let our quality work and commitment to customer satisfaction in engineering your dreams with us. Gourmet Construction Services, we build tomorrow.